Okay, hi everyone. Today we'll see how to use ChatGPT to just create a fun game for you to use if it's like you want just to play a game or you want to learn how to code in Python and see like this as an example or just have fun with us. It's all amazing and we'll just see how it goes. So you see the chat GPT which is an AI for creating anything you want. It'll give you any written answer you want. So let's just start. Say hi. Okay, how can I help you today? I want you to create a Windows for in a row game using Python, which is our programming language. Let's see. Here's the basic outline. Okay. Please write the code for me. I'm not interested. Okay. Make move, it defines everything. It even gives the comments. You can see here the green parts. Make a move by placing the player's game piece in lower available cell and give it. This is what this code does. If you want to dig into it and see like how it works, yeah, for every row in the 6 ranges, it just does something. You can check if you won if you have the 4 in a row, and let's just copy this and we'll. Yeah, this is a whole game. Let's just see if it's really working. I copied everything. There's a copy code on the right hand corner top. And I installed PyCharm, which is a free software. PyCharm Community Edition. Let's just go over there. Which is just, yeah, you can see it. It's just a program for pasting in your code and running it. So just paste everything, Control V or write. Okay, it has everything. Let's just try and run it. Maybe we'll be lucky. Run. And okay, this is an old-fashioned game. Player X, enter a column. Let's do the second column. Okay. Player 0, enter a column. I want to put in the first column. Okay, let's try to do that. This is a very, very basic game. Let's just try and do it like more user-friendly. So let's go back to our chat GPT and ask him like to do something more not the 80s style, more modern style. Okay, so we're back on the chat GPT, as you can see. Okay, please change the code to make this a game with a GUI, which is a graphic user interface. Let's see, what's the answer? Okay, sure. And it imports something which is called Pygame. Okay. Pygame is imports in Python are packages which you can do a lot of the stuff for you. It's already code which was written by someone else. You can just use it by importing it. You might need to install it, but it's very easy. I'll show you. And just write the code for us. Let's see how long this take. Okay. It draws the rectangle, the screen color. Let's just let it do its work and maybe focus on something here. So there's 2 players, the X and the O, and let's see. Oh, it's still tank. Okay, it's not working for us. I only got part of the code. Let's ask him, please send me the code in bulks of 50 rows. So we'll just have to copy like a few times to get anything. Let's see if he knows to have multiple responses. And this is everything we already seen. Check if we're looking for a sequence of 4 matching game pieces. This is like the game rule for winning. And it's really apparent. Yeah, it goes on the board height and width, like all the goes over everything and looks for our code. Okay, I think we're already past the 50 rows limit I gave it. Probably, I think it's already 60 or 80, something like that. But if we'll finish everything, okay. Let's just copy the thing. Copy code. Oh, this is a new code. Sorry. Just copy this one here. Okay, let's try the code. I'm not sure it's working. Let's go back to our PyCharm. We'll erase everything here. Delete. Paste. I'm not sure if it was going to work, and run again. Didn't do anything, so let's ask the Chat GPT to give us like the next part of the code. Okay, let's see. Please give me the next part. Oh, drawing. Is this the same thing? Has a win message, okay. Draw message, okay. Here, I think we're almost done with that. Let's see, Py display caption, 4 in a row. Even has a... I like how it does it. And it has a mouse button, which knows how to play. It looks like something much more modern. Okay, let's let it do its magic. Switch turns. Draw the game board. Update the display. Okay, let's just copy this part of the code. Copy code. Now we'll go back to our PyCharm, which will run the code, and paste the next part beneath the first part. Just run it. Oh ho, 4 in a row. Whose turn is it now? Oh, it's working, just not as fast as I thought. This looks very, very strange. I'm not sure. Okay. For me, it's hilarious because it did it on different colors. You can only see the... Nobody's winning here. Player X1. So this is a work in progress. You'll have to tell, let's say, we won't change the code right now, but let's go back to the Chat GPT interface. I can't see anything. The text and X and O pieces are black, which is the same color of part of the board, right? Please change the board to be pink and green. I have no idea why I chose these colors. Okay, so we'll do everything here, and we won't wait to see it like in these ugly colors which I just chose. But this is an amazing thing. You can just think in every simple game you might want to play. It will probably do it. If you want checkers or even chess, you can do. And it's amazing tool for you to try. As you saw, it still has its limitations. Like for very long code or text, it just gets stuck. So you have to ask it nicely to limit itself to 50 rows, 100 rows, whatever you want. And you'll probably get much better here. Did the same thing again. Oh, okay. So it's still a beta version of this Chat GPT. So if you like this video and you want to see more and a lot of amazing things you can do with it, so please like and subscribe, and I'll know you want more of this kind of content. You can add a comment if you would like to see something specific. I'll be very happy to show you. And that's it. Thank you for today. Thank you for now.